The F1 visa, a gateway to education. The F1 visa opens doors to world-class education in the United States. It allows students to achieve academic dreams at top universities. With this visa, you can immerse yourself in diverse cultures and experiences while building a global network. Explore opportunities to excel in your field of choice and gain skills that set you apart in the global job market. The F1 visa is more than just a document, it's your gateway to a brighter future. Common mistakes that can ruin your application. Applying for an F1 visa can feel overwhelming without the right guidance. Every detail in your application must be accurate and complete. Small errors or omissions can lead to delays or even rejection. By understanding the common pitfalls, you can ensure your application stands out for the right reasons. Avoid these mistakes and set yourself up for success from the start. Mistake 1. Misrepresenting your academic intentions. Showcase genuine academic goals and a clear study plan. Tailor your application to align with your chosen program. Demonstrate a commitment to academic growth and success through a thoughtful statement of purpose. Misrepresenting your intentions, such as exaggerating qualifications or unrelated goals, can lead to serious consequences, including a permanent denial. Being honest and well-prepared is key to showing your passion for your studies. Mistake 2. Failing to provide strong financial documentation. Strong financial proof is key to your F1 visa approval. Provide complete and accurate documentation, including bank statements and financial affidavits. Highlight stable financial backing from personal or family resources, showing you can comfortably cover tuition and living expenses. Missing or incomplete financial documents can delay your visa, or worse, result in rejection. Double-check everything to ensure clarity and consistency in your financial proof. Mistake 3. Neglecting visa interview preparation. It's crucial to thoroughly prepare for your F1 visa interview. Make sure to practice common interview questions, prepare your answers confidently, and be ready to explain your academic and career plans clearly. A weak or unprepared interview can significantly impact your chances of approval. Appear confident, concise, and genuine during your interview. Mistake 4. Ignoring the importance of timely application. Applying well in advance of your intended program's start date is essential. Discuss the typical processing times for F1 visas and how delays can affect your plans. Avoid last-minute applications to ensure there's ample time for processing and any unforeseen delays. Maximizing your chances of success. Avoid these mistakes, prepare thoroughly, and turn your dreams into reality. The F1 visa process can be challenging, but with careful planning and attention to detail, success is within your reach. Seek guidance, practice for your interview, and double-check all documentation before submission. Remember, this is your chance to invest in your future, make it count. Your journey to success begins now.
Good morning. Please hand me your passport and I-20 form.
Good morning. Here they are.
Thank you. So, why did you choose Colorado Mesa University?
I chose Colorado Mesa University because it has a strong computer and information science program with experienced faculty and a comprehensive curriculum that aligns with my career goals. Additionally, I've been awarded a $9,000 scholarship, which will significantly support my education.
That's good to hear. Why do you want to study computer and information science?
I've always been passionate about technology and solving complex problems. The field of computer and information science will provide me with the skills necessary to innovate and contribute to the tech industry. I am particularly interested in the courses and research opportunities available at Colorado Mesa University.
Can you explain how your studies align with the current trends and needs in the technology sector?
The technology sector is rapidly evolving, with significant advancements in areas like artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and data analytics. The curriculum at Colorado Mesa University is designed to address these trends by offering courses and hands-on projects in these fields. By specializing in computer and information science, I will gain expertise that is highly relevant and in demand. My goal is to apply this knowledge to improve digital infrastructure and security in my home country, where there is a growing need for skilled tech professionals.
What contingency plans do you have if your initial career plans don't work out?
While I am confident in my career plan, I understand the importance of having contingencies. My education will provide me with a versatile skill set applicable in various industries, not just technology. Additionally, I am open to pursuing further education such as a master's degree if I need to deepen my expertise. Networking with professionals and staying adaptable to industry changes will also help me explore different career paths if necessary.
How do you intend to contribute to the campus community at Colorado Mesa University?
I plan to actively participate in student organizations related to technology and innovation. Joining clubs like the Computer Science Club or participating in hackathons and coding competitions will allow me to collaborate with peers and contribute to the campus community. Additionally, I am interested in volunteer opportunities in cultural exchange programs that promote diversity and inclusion, where I can share my background and learn from others.
What makes you confident that you will succeed academically and professionally in the U.S.?
My academic record demonstrates my dedication and ability to excel in my studies. The support from my family and the scholarship from Colorado Mesa University further boost my confidence. Professionally, my proactive approach to learning and staying updated with industry trends will help me succeed. Moreover, I am highly motivated by the opportunities and challenges ahead, which drive me to give my best effort in all endeavors.
Can you tell me how you plan to fund your education?
My parents are fully supporting my education financially. They have sufficient funds to cover my tuition and living expenses. Additionally, the $9,000 scholarship from Colorado Mesa University will help reduce the financial burden.
Do you have any proof of your parents' financial support?
Yes, I have bank statements and financial affidavits from my parents. Here are the documents.
This looks in order. What are your plans after you graduate?
After graduating, I plan to return to my home country and work in the technology sector. There is a growing demand for skilled professionals in this field, and with the knowledge and experience I will gain from Colorado Mesa University, I believe I can make significant contributions to the industry in my home country.
Do you have any family or relatives in the United States?
No, I do not have any family or relatives in the United States. My entire family resides in my home country.
Your academic records are impressive. Can you tell me about your achievements in high school?
Thank you. I achieved 89% in my 12th grade. I worked hard in subjects related to science and technology, which further solidified my interest in computer and information science. I also participated in various tech-related extracurricular activities and competitions.
And your IELTS score?
I scored 6 in each band of the IELTS exam, which meets the English language proficiency requirements for my program at Colorado Mesa University.
Very well. It seems you have a solid plan and the necessary support. Your visa is approved. You will receive your passport with the visa stamp in a few days.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.